The Algorand cost has likewise seen a descending energy since the crypto market slump of May 2022. The Algo token was exchanging around $0.779 when the Terra Luna disaster occurred, changing the elements of the whole crypto market. The cost pointedly tumbled to $0.371 in a couple of days. After some solidification, the cost additionally tumbled to $0.2795 that very day when Bitcoin value tumbled to $17,744. From that point forward, the token has been exchanging somewhere in the range of $0.3559 and $0.2881. According to our Algorand cost expectation, the coin will find opportunity to recuperate from this destruction before it can turn productive. Algorand, a potential blockchain stage, gives lightning-quick exchanges by overwhelming the intricacies of decentralization. Algorand network was rejuvenated by Silvio Micheli and his group of driving cryptographers, software engineering specialists, mathematicians, and market analysts zeroed in on creating tech that will engage clients to prevail in the state-of-the-art existence. It was seen that coins like Ethereum were not completely adaptable, thus, they instituted the advantage of utilizing proof-of-stake sidechains associated with the root chain. Here every single individual chain manages its free blockchain framework with its agreement system, block validators, and make more youngster chains of its own. Algorand, the Algo token. Algorand Organizations Group has delivered interface libraries that will be a pioneer. The organization likewise brought a novel token Algo that is presently a significant hit at the prestigious trades coordinating speed with other cryptographic forms of money. Vantage Algo, the vast potential for installments coordinating Algorand on dApps empowers settlement at whatever point and any place, and the confirmation of such exchanges gets handled in only a couple of moments with the most minimal expenses. Algorand's smart contracts, ASQ1s, are trustless projects that execute on-chain, where clients can be sure that the program ran without blunder and the outcomes were not altered. They are incorporated into Algorand's Layer 1 to give security, strong speed, scale, absolution, security, and cost adequacy. ASQ1s can naturally authorize custom guidelines and rationale, from basically characterizing how resources can be moved to complex application rationale and stream. ASQ1s are written in another dialect called Transaction Execution Approval Language, TEAL, and PyTEAL, a Python language restricting. Algo coin is a cryptographic money of Algorand blockchain, which is venturing into NFT, virtual monetary standards, and DeFi. Algorand fortified gaming networks by securing their presentation in handling exchanges inside a brief period. Algorand clients will quite often send and get installments in their ideal cash by means of Algorand brilliant agreements, as it controls the transformation and changes through trades. The ongoing cost of Algorand weights around $0.3214 with a market capitalization of $2,240,319,634, with a coursing supply of $6,973,060,244 Algo. The Algorand People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself, driving a change regardless. Sell Algorand at the opposition level and purchase Algorand at the help level. This procedure can assist financial backers with making a momentary benefit. Before we start our Algorand cost forecast, we should concentrate on the value history of the token. Toward the finish of 2019, the Algorand cost exchanged around 25 cents, while in only 2 months, the Algo cost shot up to $0.493. Later in 2020, Algo cost denoted a precarious fall during the March crash, and afterward, it recovered its lost force. The cost again went to $0.668 in the following 5 months. At last, after some highs and lows, the Algo token contacted the $1 mark. Financial backers began booking their benefits at the $1.70 mark, and the offering prompted a cost fall. After some solidification, the cost came to $2.37 toward the finish of 2021, where we again saw a specific selling. The Algo value attempted to arrive at a similar level again threefold, however fizzled. Before the cost could recapture force, the whole crypto market saw an accident this year, and from that point forward, the Algorand coin has been battling to start the upswing. A habitually noticed quality of Algorand projection is that it has shown the most unpredictable and fluctuating conduct like other digital currencies. The brain research of clients incredibly drives the crypto market feelings. Remembering this, underneath are the Algorand cost expectations for coming years, Algorand price prediction 2022. With organizations and local area subsidizing, the business sector's glance back at Algorand, ALGO, is supposed to perform, arriving at a cost level close 60 cents, which is plus 81.81% contrasted with the ongoing cost. This is a seriously hopeful Algorand estimate, however certainly plausible, instead of expressing that the cost will arrive at the moon tomorrow. According to our Algorand cost expectations, the base cost of the coin might be around 20 cents. Algorand price prediction 2023. As per Algorand expectation 2023, with any progressions in approaches and guidelines, Algorand, ALGO, may have its portion of foggy days at its cost showing some opposition. According to our Algorand cost figure, the coin could cruise smoothly around 50 cents with a most extreme cost of 68 cents and least cost of 30 cents, making it not fall in cost but rather play reliable. Algorand price prediction 2024. Assuming that Algorand focuses on additional turns of events and essentials, the Algo coin could reflect gigantic development in the forthcoming years. It wouldn't be an embellishment to find that Algorand cost will scale to a pinnacle of 75 cents, which is plus 127.27% to the most recent costs. Sometime, however, the equivalent can't be known as an extremely exaggerated and light reach. In view of the Algorand expectation, the base cost for the year may be 40 cents. Algorand price prediction 2025. Algorand has previously embraced the POS component and in this manner has huge development anticipated in the impending years. The future value energy is really splendid for Algorand. In light of our Algorand cost gauge, a drawn-out increment is normal, and Algo exchange is green for the period. The cost could come to the 90 cents mark toward the finish of 2025. Algorand price prediction 2026. Having seen a gigantic deappreciation in the past pushed the cost of Algorand, ALGO. The organization is very famous, with various undertakings based on it. Given the progressions are kept up with, the Algorand cost can be anticipated to take off to a greatest cost of $1. Which is plus 203.03% of Algorand cost today. The road ahead. Will Algo price rise in 2030? As per Algorand cost expectation 2030, the